Most people in life today, they stagnant because of fear. The most people are scared to make certain decisions because they are afraid. But guess what? Today, we're going to face those fears. You're welcome to your number one motivational show, NL Motivation, brought to you by NL TV. I'm Specs, and you know I'm here to keep you going. Let's go. So today, we're going to be talking about facing your fears. Yes, face your fears. All right, so what is fear? Fear is a strong, unpleasant emotion caused by perceived or actual threats or danger. So you see, it may not be there, but you just fear that it is. Or okay, let's say it is, but you're just afraid. So why are you afraid? Okay, so we're going to be discussing 5 steps to helping you face those fears. All right, so number one way that you can face your fear is by knowing your fear. What are you afraid of? Waiting with those things where you fear. Biologically, man, none of us, they born with fear. They don't born us with any fear. We are born unafraid. But you see, looking at some recent studies, people think that people are born with fear of falling and fear of loud noise. But you know what? Most fear that we have right now in our lives, most fear what you get for your life right now, it was learned. It was learned from somebody. It was learned from a situation. It was learned from the environment. You see, what surrounds us, something that somebody else is scared about. Okay, let's say insects. Somebody's scared about insects, and you're like, I'm scared of cockroaches. Oh, you have fear for cockroaches, and she has fear for cockroaches, and automatically a newborn becomes scared because his mom is scared of cockroaches. So you see, most fear that we have was learned. And you see, the good thing about it is, since it was learned, then we can face those fears and we can unlearn them. So you need to know your fear. That's the first step. What are your fears? What are you afraid of? So know your fear. And yes, that's the number one step to facing your fear. Number 2 step to face your fear is act as if. What is that thing that you're afraid of? What is that thing that you look at that you want to do? Act as if you're already there, like you're doing it. You're scared of heights? Go for it, level by level. Stand tall, stand firm, like I ain't scared. Like, yes, I ain't scared. I'm acting like I ain't scared. You're scared of audience. You're scared of public speaking, coming out in the open. Go for it. Like, take deep breathers. Then go for it. Stand out. Face your fear. Like, yes, act as if you're unafraid. So that's the number 2 step. Act as if. And number 3 step to face your fear is be hopeful. Yes, you always got to see good things, even when you go through the worst, even when you're going through the hardest of time, even when you don't even believe you can do it, you have to believe that you can do it. Be hopeful. That's the number 3 step, because if you don't believe it, you can't do it. If you don't believe it, man, you can't do nothing. So you have to believe that you can do it. That's the number 3 steps of facing your fears. All right, so be hopeful. Then you take it one step at a time. Hope. Where there's presence of hope, there's elimination of fear. But where there's absence of hope, man, fear plenty die. All right, so the number 4 step to facing your fear is get someone who's experienced. We all have one level of fear. It's different things that we're scared of. You know, you're scared of heights. You know, you're scared of, say, you're scared of failure, because you're always scared to try something new. You don't want to try because, what if I fail? Oh, geez, what if I fail? That particular field of line you want to go, that particular thing you want to do, there are people who have gone through that amateur stage into the intermediate and the professional. So get someone who's experienced, then let the person put you through. You know, life is like a ladder. You go 1, 2, it's like a climbing process. So someone has been there before. Where you're headed, somebody has been there before. So you have to get someone experienced that's going to put you through. All right, so when you get somebody, man, it's just an easy way out, because now you have to follow a lead, somebody like a mentor, you know, that could get you up that ladder. All right, so the number 5 stage, which is very, very, very important, is confront your fears. Okay, wait till me that thing when you fear now. Today, not tomorrow. Wait till me that thing when you fear. Confront your fears immediately. What is that thing you're afraid of? What is that thing you're scared of trying, that you're just saying you fail? What is that thing in your mind? Think about it now. You right now, think about it. What's that thing that you're scared of? Confront it now. Like, stand face to face, eyeball to eyeball. Like, I can do this, I believe. Because if you don't explore in those areas that you're scared of, you can't learn. And that's the beauty of our life, because every experience there's something to learn, be that you fail or not. As long as you've tried, you're learning, because then you can always want to do better. So explore it. So confront your fears, eyeball to eyeball, man to man. Let's do this. You understand? So confront your fears. And guess what? The more you see, the less you fear. And the less you fear, the more you do. So you can actually do a lot, and fear is putting you in a box, and you need to break out. Yes, you need to break out, and not later. You need to break out now. So do it today. So you know, so what are those things that you're scared of? First of all, you need to know your fears, like I told you. Secondly, you need to act as if you're unafraid. Thirdly, you need to be hopeful, see good things. Fourth, get someone who's experienced. And the fifth, confront your fears. How far? Wait till it's up. Confront your fears. Alright? So that's how we do it on NL Motivation. You know, as always, we want to hear from you. So what do you think about today's motivation? Go on all social media platforms, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube. Click that subscribe button, like and share. You know what? Nothing is impossible. So stay positive. I'm your boy Specs. Till I see you again next time, yo. Peace.